every morning, but I think going the other direction. And he's empty.
He's not.
Uh-huh. 5 engines on it?
Yeah, I was really trying to see those actually.
Well, they'll meet them, because the reason this long he is. Got a lot of weight.
Gotcha.
You know where he's going. He's heading up to Astoria.
Does it go to Astoria this way?
Yep. It heads over down First Street.
It's still going.
Yeah, I bet you that's him going the one that I see in the morning. He's heading to up to Astoria to get it loaded. Unloaded, I should say. Damn. There's the end, finally.